Let's start with the sample preparation for the Ochratoxin rapid test. Weigh 5 grams of a homogeneous milled sample and put it into a 50 milliliter centrifuge tube. Use brush to clean away debris. Add 30 milliliters of 50% ethanol. Vortex for 30 to 60 seconds. Add 2 milliliters of solution into each of the 2 milliliters centrifuge tubes. Centrifuge at 4,000 revolutions per minute for 2 minutes. Pipette 700 microliter diluent into a 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube. Then add 100 microliter supernatant and mix well. This is the detection solution 1. For detection solution 2, pipette 400 microliter diluent into a new 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube, then a 200 microliter detection solution 1 and mix well. Each test tube contains 8 red reagent microwells and 8 test strips. Pipette 200 microliters of detection solution 1 into the microwell and mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 6 times. Same step for detection solution 2. Incubate for 3 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius. After the first incubation, insert the test strip into the microwell and incubate for 4 minutes. Take out the test strip from the microwell, remove the sample pad at the lower end. Insert the ID chip, then click Confirm on the screen to complete the ID chip curve import. Insert the test strip 1, select Curve 1 option to read the result. If the result of Curve 1 is more than 120 pp, then use test strip 2 to retest. Select Curve 2 to interpret the result. Refer to the result of the second test.